I'm so sad. I don't have no Play-Doh. Psych! I have Play-Doh. Okay, we're gonna start off with big brick. We have a big brick. Okay, what you want to make today?
I got cut Aiden. But light, but darker.
You have mixed colors?
Aiden, why is your mouth so this? Only got one piece out of this and one piece out of this.
Okay. We have the Play-Doh brick. Da-da-da! You are going to make the brick. Da-da-da! What you want to make? You want to take a big piece of Play-Doh. It's so big. Put the other Play-Doh back in here. And we're going to get right started on that. We're going to get right started on that anyway, so it's just good. We got a big piece of Play-Doh, or should I say big brick. What you want to do is make a head. Circle it like this. What you want to do is take the piece of your big brick and turn it into a hat. Okay, guys. Mama, what are you doing? And you want to make that piece a little smaller. See? Like this. What you want to do is place it. Wait! Your phone was on my big brick. Sorry, God. My phone is stuffed in the way.
Look at this little teeny balloon.
Mm-hmm. See? Look. You want
I couldn't go in at first. See, look. Hold up. Mama. Mama. My mommy.
Oh,
Where is my mommy? Come on, let's go find her.
she's right there.
Oh!
Okay. You made it small. Okay. You made it small like this. What else you want to do? Get a big piece of your big brick. Come on, brick. Stop!
Well, I'm not going to. I hit my ball.
Don't throw it. Oh, whatever. Just put it away. A big brick is not coming out. Okay, good. But what you want to get is a big one. So you can make it funny.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, give you information to make brick.
Aiden, look at the balloon. It's going to stick on. It likes me.
Come here.
Wait,
Wait, let me see.
Aiden, what color does it look like?
Oh, hey.
Aiden, does it look white or cream?
Green.
Or does it look off-white?
Off-white. It's off-white. I knew. It's off-white. Okay, what you want to do is make this piece a little bigger. So you want to get another big piece of your big brick. Okay?
Level 100.
There. Once you're done, place it on your big brick.
Yeah, it's this one now.
Okay? Place it right there.
What does it look? Does it look like an off-white or is it like a cream wheel?
Oh, you see? Good buddy.
I'm
mean, it's like a cream.
Okay, what you want to make?
Were you looking for like a straight white?
So you
Well,
take
I am now a little concerned about a pure white, but off white I could probably do.
like that. Okay. And then you want to roll it.
Out of the way.
I'm sorry, I hate to get you do all this, and
No, it's okay.
I might not get it.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, that can go for white.
Yeah, we can pull it off of white. Let's see if we find the tag. Alright, it's probably on the other side.
Wait, guys. And I only have one arm.
Did he FaceTime me somebody?
Who? Probably ain't got no time.
No, I'm making a video. Okay. Once you have that, you can put your arm like that. So you, and I have the other one right here.
You get what? They're not that much.
Oh yeah, what you want to do? Okay. Cause your other arm on the brick, turn it the other way, like the left.
Because usually what they'll do is
The right. I mean the left. The left. You want to push the left.
Let's go get
See? And now you have a brick that has his arms crossed, so you know he's mad. Yeah, he's mad. See? Look at him.
not see the tag for it.
Mad.
Maybe
Yeah, he's
probably
mad.
the price for like
Punching.
$130. Because usually what we'll do is like see how
In
it's
the
like
back.
that. And
And let's
you
just
see the
put
price.
some
You
here.
only round up by like $1.
We might use up all
so
this.
if it's $129, that means it's gonna come out to be like
No!
$130 and some change, give or take tax, whatever. So you wanna go for this?
We
one,
want
or-
to use the whole thing. Oh, wow.
130.
I mean,
It's got to be so big.
I mean, I don't see why not. I mean, if you see something you really, really like, I wouldn't pass it. I wouldn't pass it up because you may change your mind later and it'd be gone. And if you like, look, if you really, really don't like it, you can bring it back.
Okay, what you want to make is some hair for your brick. Oh, by the way, this is off of the Powerpuff Girls and the Roddy Rough Boys. So you might see in the movie, but you got some hair. Whoa! Hey, balloon friend. This is my balloon friend. Want to say hi? Hey. Come on, just stand out here. Okay, you want to sit down? Okay, wait.
Thank you.
You got this, and you got this, okay? And you want to connect it together to make your brick. See? Just like this. Uh-oh, here's one. This part is
Leave it alone, girl. Leave it alone, Kiana.
See? And now you have a brick hair. Ha! No! The piece of my brick fell. Mama, the arm fell. Arm fell. The arm fell. Give me the arm. Stop! You all messed up. Okay, the arm fell. You guys. Oh my, why is this thing tearing apart?
Boy, why is it not working?
Everything is like tearing apart.
It's never Christmas yet.
I know. Okay. Usually my brick won't do that, but it's doing that. Oh wait. The hair needs to be sideways. So you want to make your hat this way. Keep. Yeah, like that. And this. The hat has to be sideways. Because you know his face is on. Stop falling off. balloon friend. This is probably somebody's balloon, but I'm having it. Okay, whatever. The arm fell off, you guys, so we gotta make it there. This is your little great arm. No, the arm fell off. Okay. Like that. Put the arm back on it, and you have the arm back. This thing fell off. That's what. Okay, good. Good balloon friend. Good. What? What's the top? Huh? No! Guys, look, I have to finish making my brick.
Yeah. Come on, Candace. No, you might have to leave it right there. Let's go.
No! We don't have
No. Tell your dad about it. You're not big for something to tell you before. Come on.
Okay.
Why are you making a play over there?
Okay. Here.
Get up.
Okay, let's just